Welcome back to 8482 Media. Today I have a quick one for you guys on how to locate and utilize the broken photo effect on CapCut. So initially you're going to want to go to Media, click and drag your clip to the timeline. Once you have it there, we're going to go up to Effects, Video Effects, Retro, and then scroll down to find the broken photo effect. Click and drag it down to the timeline. Now we're going to take a look on the effect itself. We're going to find a position within the clip that we like for the effect to be, utilized. And we're going to just elongate this effect to fit the entirety of the clip. So before we press play, we're going to go up to the special effects tab with the effect being highlighted and mess with the filter, the strength, the noise, and the speed of the effect. You guys can play around with these effects or these settings as you'd like. So let's take a look. Well, guys, that's the video. If this was helpful in any way, please leave a like down below. If you have any questions, comment down below. Again, thanks for watching and have a great day.